Hello everyone, welcome to the class with Sister Josephine. I am going to deal with class 4 English grammar lesson 3 singular and plural nouns. In the previous class we had seen the part 1, today is the part 2. Here we go. In the textbook on page number 16, you have this exercise. Number C. Write the plural forms of the names of animals and write them along with the sounds they make as shown in the example. So here in the textbook you have box of animal names, or these are the nouns, and the sounds that they make, and this box is empty. We have to write the answer here in plural forms. So number 1 we go with monkey chatter. Answer should be monkeys chatter because we are making the singular noun into plural noun. Cow moo, cows moo. Duck quack, ducks quack. Dove coo, doves coo. Pig squeal, pigs squeal. Horse neigh, horses neigh. So we have changed the singular noun into plural nouns. Chicken cluck, chickens cluck. Fly hum, flies hum. Dog bark, dogs bark. Bat screech, bats screech. Coyote howl, coyotes howl. Frog croak, frogs croak. Parrot squawk, parrots squawk. Bee buzz, bees buzz. So these are the answers, write them in your textbook. Here we came across one new animal, coyote. This is a type of wild dog. In the same page we have the next exercise, that is tick the correct plural forms in the passage. In the textbook you have the singular and plural nouns given together. We have to tick the correct answer. I have given only here the correct answer. Archaeologists from many countries dug busily in the Valley of the Kings. So archaeologists are the people who dig the earth and do a lot of research work. So from many countries they dug busily in the Valley of the Kings. They found many royal graves and precious things. Graves means the place where the dead bodies are being buried. But they did not find what they had hoped for. They did not get what they were supposed to get. None of the grave was complete with its treasure. So all the treasures were incomplete. None was full with its treasure. Other men had been there before. They thought that somebody else was there before them. Thieves knew of the great treasure and had stolen everything of value. So the thieves were aware of the treasures that were hidden inside the grave. So they had come early and they had stolen everything. Again and again the archaeologists opened a tomb with high hopes. So they went on digging and opened the graves with high hopes to get something. But everything seemed safe. The grave looked safe. Everything was safe. The locks were not broken. Even the lock was not broken. Everything was there. They were sure the thieves had missed the grave. So they thought that that last grave was missed out by the thieves. But when they unlocked the doors, they found the Pharaoh's body lying among broken things. So at the end, with the high hopes, when they opened the door of the grave, nothing was there. They found only the Pharaoh's body lying among the broken things. The treasure had disappeared. The thieves had taken away the treasures. They found nothing. So this paragraph is given to you to mark out the plural forms. So I have already ticked correctly. Tick them in your textbook. Next we go with the next page, page number 17, the next exercise. Some of the nouns in the following sentences have been spelt wrongly. Rewrite the sentences after correcting the spellings. So here the wrong nouns have been underlined and the correct nouns also been underlined in the plural form. Number 1, some insects live in colony. The answer is some insects live in colonies. She cut the apple in two halves. Here we see the halves spelling is wrong. She cut the apple into two halves. So VES, ending with VES. The tree has put on new leaves. Here we see the leaf spelling. The tree has put on the new leaves. This is the plural form of the correct leaves. Tendulkar and Kapil Dev are the heroes of the new generation. Here we see the heroes spelling mistake. Tendulkar and Kapil Dev are the heroes of the new generation. This is the correct spelling. Number 5. The mango tree has many branches. Here see the spelling of mango is wrong. So the answer should be the mango tree has many branches. Number 6. She was wearing a pair of thick glasses. So the glasses spelling is mistake. She was wearing a pair of thick glasses. This is the correct spelling of glasses. The monkeys were jumping on the trees. Here we see the monkeys spelling wrong. So here the monkeys were jumping on the trees. So that is the plural form. So correctly write the correct answers in your notebook. Write it as a sentence. You are supposed to write as a sentence in your test book. So we have finished the exercises from class lesson 3. Here is some homework for you. Write the singular and plural forms of 15 nouns that ends with s. For example, like cat and cats, only adding with s. Write the singular and plural forms of 15 nouns that ends with es, like for example, brush and brushes. Write singular and plural forms of 15 nouns that ends with ies, for example, baby and baby. So in these 3 types, write 15, 15, 15 example of singular noun and plural nouns. Write them in your notebook and learn them. We have finished the 3rd lesson. In the next class, we shall see the 4th lesson. Stay healthy, learn easily. Thank you.